हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हम सभी डिटर्मिनेंट्स पढ़ रहे हैं। हमने 4.1 हमारी एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व कर ली थी। आज हम करेंगे हमारी एक्सरसाइज 4.2, जिसमें हम देखेंगे कि डिटर्मिनेंट को प्रॉपर्टीज़ की हेल्प से हम कैसे सॉल्व कर पाते हैं फास्टली। तो आप देखेंगे हमारे पास 6 प्रॉपर्टी है, जिनको आप जब हम ये हमारे डिटर्मिनेंट्स निकालेंगे चैप्टर में तो सारी हमारी प्रॉपर्टीज़ यहाँ पर डिस्कस हो जाएंगी। तो हम स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं हमारी एक्सरसाइज 4.2, जिसमें पहला आपका सवाल है, आपको डिटर्मिनेंट निकालना है विदाउट सॉल्विंग। सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। हियर वी हैव गिवन लेट del इक्वल टू x y z a b c x plus a y plus b and z plus c. We have to prove that this determinant is equal to 0. So now adding, we know that this is the column C1, C2 and C3, and this is our R1, R2 and R3. Here adding C1 plus C2, we get x plus a, y plus b and z plus c. A, b, c, x plus a, y plus b and z plus c. Here we use our property. In our property it says that if two rows or either two columns are equal, then the determinant is 0. Here we use this property. Now we know that if two columns are same, then determinant is 0. So del equal to, here that is what we get here, C1 equal to C3. So del is equal to 0. Now second solution of question number 2, we have given del equal to a minus b, b minus c and c minus a. Here is b minus c, c minus a, c minus a minus b, a minus b and b minus c. Now if we add our this row R1, R2 and R3. Now applying on R1 plus R2 plus R3. Let's see what we get. A minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. Here c is cancelled, b is cancelled and our a is cancelled. Now b minus c plus c minus a plus a minus b. C minus a minus b and b minus c. B minus c, c minus a, c minus a minus b. Here is a minus b and b minus c. Now we get our del is 0, 0, 0. C minus a minus b, c minus a minus b and b minus c. Here we use our another property which says that if any row or any column is 0, then our determinant is 0. Here we can see our R1 is 0. So our result is del is equal to 0. So we write here as, and another property, if we know if any row or column is 0, then the determinant is 0. This is our next property, is 0. Here our R1 is 0. R1 first row is 0. So by using this property we can say del is equal to 0. Now solution of question number 3rd. In question number 3rd we have given del equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 65, 75 and 86. Now C3 minus C1 minus 9 C2. Here we get 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 65 minus 2 minus 63. Now 75 minus 3 minus 72. Here is 86 minus 5 minus 81. Now we can see 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 0, 0, 0. We get here, we get C3, our column, third column is 0. So we can say del equal to 0 by using property. We will write here the same property. If any row and column is 0, then the determinant is 0. We write here this property. Next is question number 4. In question number 4 we have given del equal to 1, 1, 1, BC, CA, AB, A, B plus C, B, C plus A and C, A plus B. We have to prove that the determinant of this matrix is equal to 0. So let's see C3, C2 plus C3. Del is 1, 1, 1, BC, CA and AB. AB plus AC plus BC. BC plus AB plus AC. And AC plus AB, CB plus AB. Here we can see that in C3 column we have we can take common AB plus BC plus CA. We get 1, 1, 1, BC, AC, AB, 1, 1, 1. If any two row or column are equal, then the determinant is 0. So using property we can say del is equal to 0. If you want, then you can write here in bracket that which property we are talking about. Now question number 5th. In question number 5th we have given, here we take our left hand side and will prove it equal to right hand side. Now solution of question number 5. Del is B plus C, Q plus R and Y plus Z. A plus C, R plus P and Z plus X. Here is A plus B, P plus Q and X plus Y. Now R3. We apply on R3. What we apply? R3 plus R1 plus R2. That is B plus C, Q plus R and Y plus Z. A plus C, R plus P and Z plus X. Here we get 2 A plus B plus C. Here 2 P plus Q plus R, and here is 2 into X plus Y plus Z. Now taking 2 as common, after taking common we get here our determinant as B plus C, A plus C and A plus B plus C. Here is Q plus R, R plus T and T plus Q plus R. Here is Y plus Z, Z plus X and X plus Y plus Z. Now we apply here that R1 on R1 minus R3, and on R2 minus R3, we get 2 B plus C minus A minus B minus C, we get here minus A. A plus C minus A minus C minus B, we get here minus B. A plus B plus C. Here we get minus P minus Q and P plus Q plus R. Here we get, after minus we will get here minus X minus Y, X plus Y plus Z. On taking minus from R1 and R2, 2 minus 1 square A P X B Q Y, A plus B plus C, P plus Q plus R, X plus Y plus Z. Now again we apply on R3. What we apply on R3? R3 minus में R1 minus R2. Here we get 2 APX BQY A plus B plus C minus A minus B, and here P plus Q plus R minus P minus Q. Here is X plus Y plus Z minus X minus Y. We get here A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. We can see here our right hand side is this one. This we have to prove. Now question number 6. In question number 6, del equal to 0 A minus B minus A 0 minus C B C 0. Now taking minus from R1, R2 and R3. In 3 rows we are taking minus common, so minus 1 power cube. 0 minus A B, A 0 C, minus B minus C and 0. Now interchanging our R1 and C1. Here we are using our property, next property, that what it says? It says if we change any row by column, then the sign of determinant will never change. So here we can change. We change R1 and C1, or we can say interchange. We interchange this one we get here 0 a minus b minus a b 0 minus c c 0. This is our del, and on outside we get minus 1. Now adding first and second, adding first and second, what we get? 2 del 0 a minus a minus a 0 minus c b c 0 minus 0 a minus b minus a b 0 c minus c and 0. You can see that 0 minus 0 is 0. A minus a is 0. Here we get our all entries are 0. This is 0 0 and this is 0 minus 2c. Here we get 0 2c and 0. We are doing some mistake here, I think. 0 a minus b minus a b, we are taking here minus common, so this is our plus and this is our minus. So now if any row is 0 or either any row or any column is 0, we can say that the determinant is equal to 0. So 2 del is equal to 0. Now here our seventh question is, in our seventh question we get we have given del equal to minus a square a b a c b a minus b square b c a c b c and minus c square, taking a from R1, b from R2 and c from R3. Taking common a b c, we get here R1 is minus a b c, a minus b c. Here is a b and minus c. Now again taking common a from c1, b from c2 and c from c3, we get a square b square c square minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1. Now R1 plus में R2, here we get a square b square c square 0 0 2 1 minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1. Now expanding from R1, we get here a square b square c square 2 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 into 2 4, 4 a square b square c square. This is our question number 7. Now question number 8. In question number 8 we have given two parts, first and second. Question number 8 part first. Let del equal to 1 1 1 a b c a square b square and c square. Now R1 minus R2, and on R2 minus R3. We get here 0, A minus B, A square minus B square. 0, B minus C, B square minus C square. 1C, C square. Here we know that A square minus B square, what we can say? A minus B and A plus B. 0, 0, 1. We are taking common A minus B from R1 and B minus C from R2. So we get here A minus B, B minus C. 0, 1, A plus B. 0, 1, B plus C. 1C, C square. Expanding by column. C1. From C1 plus minus plus. Here we get A minus B, B minus C, 1 into B plus C minus A minus B. We get here A minus B, B minus C and C minus A. This we have to prove. A minus B, B minus C and C minus A. In second part, we will do the same process for finding our right hand side. Let's see. In second part, one A B C, A cube, B cube, C cube. Now C1 minus C2 and C2 minus C3, del equal to 0, A minus B, A cube minus B cube. 0, B minus C, B cube minus C cube. 1C, C cube. We are taking common A minus B from C1 and B minus C from C2. Firstly, we write here our formula A cube minus B cube, that is A minus B A square plus B square plus AB. We use this formula taking common A minus B from C1 and B minus C from C2. So we get here A minus B, B minus C. 0, 1, A square plus B square plus AB. Here we write 0, 1, B square plus C square plus में BC. 1C, C cube. Expanding by R1. Here is plus minus plus. So we get here A minus B, B minus C, 1 into this is cancelled and this is also cancelled our. Then this one. B square plus C square plus BC minus A square minus B square minus AB. Now A minus B, B minus C, B square is cancelled. We get here C square minus A square plus B common C minus A. A minus B, B minus C, C minus A and C plus A plus B. This is our right hand side. Now in question number 9, we have given the matrix we have to find its determinant, and we have to prove that our left hand side is equal to right hand side. So in question number 9, let del equal to x square yz y square zx z square x y. So we write here C our R1 minus R2, and on R2 minus R3. Here is x minus y, x square minus y square, yz minus zx. Here is y minus z, y square minus z square, zx minus xy, z square xy. Taking common, x minus y from R1 and y minus z from R2. We get del equal to x minus y minus z. This is 1 z. X plus y plus z square. Here is y minus x. So minus z, x minus z minus y minus x, and this is x y. Now again applying our R1 on R1 minus R2. We get here x minus y minus z, this is 0, x minus z plus x, 1 plus z square, and this is our matrix. Now again taking common x minus z, x minus y minus z, and x minus z. We get here 0, 1 z, 1 y plus z square. Here is 1 minus x and x y. Now here we do C2. On applying C2 minus C3. Del equal to x minus y minus z, x minus z. 0, 1 minus 1, y plus z minus plus x. Here is minus x, z square minus xy. Here is xy. X minus y minus z, x minus z. 0, 1 z. 0, y plus z plus x, z square minus xy, 1 minus x, xy. Here we expand it from R1. Expanding by R1. X minus y minus z, and x minus z. This one. Now z square minus xy minus yz minus z square minus में xz. Here is z square is cancelled, and we can take minus as common. X minus y minus z, x minus z, and this is our xy, yz and xz. If here is minus common and there is given that z minus x. So we can do x minus y, y minus z and z minus x, and xy plus yz plus xz. This is our right hand side. This we have to prove. Thank you.